Okay. Already you know how to introduce yourself, right? In today's class, how to introduce your friends. What is that? How to introduce your friends. Okay? How to introduce your friends. Okay. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು? Imagine think I have two friends. Okay? I have two friends. Okay? See, this is me, teacher. Okay? This is teacher. And this is my friend. I will give her name Sheila. Okay? This is my friend Sheila. Okay? Here, Mala. Okay? I have two friends. Sheila and Mala. But Sheila and Mala, they don't know each other. ಅವರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Because they are my friends. Okay? Now, Adarsh, now I have to introduce my friends. Sheila to Mala, Mala to Sheila. So I will introduce like this. Sheila. Don't repeat. Sheila, let me introduce my friend Mala. Sheila, this is my friend Mala. This is my friend Sheila. Then afterwards they may talk to each other. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Like this. Okay? ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay? Now with example I will tell you. Now come. Pratiksha and Pranita. Come here. Okay? Okay, this is my friend Mala. This is my friend Sheila. Sheila and Mala, they don't know each other. They are strangers now. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಪರಿಚಿತರು. Now I have to introduce them. Okay? Sheila, let me introduce my friend. This is my friend Mala. This is my friend Sheila. You have to say hi to each other.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You have to say nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Got it, children?
Yes, teacher.
Now you have to bring your friends here, two friends, and you have to introduce your friends to us. Understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Go, Pratiksha and Pranita. See, dear students, now I introduce my friends. Okay. Now Anvik will introduce his friends. He has two friends. Now he will introduce. Okay.
Pranam, this is my friend Abish.
Okay.
Hi. Hi. Abish, this is my friend Pranam. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Very good.
Thank you.
Clap children. Very good. Okay. Now here comes Supitra. Okay. She is in front of us, in front of you, to introduce her friends to you. Okay. Okay. She has two friends. Now she will introduce her first friend to second friend to first friend. Okay. Start, Supitra.
Pratiksha, this is my friend Pranita.
Good.
Pranita, this is my friend Pratiksha.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Very